Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with week 2, episode 1 of Dee Dee's 3 and 15 Don't Freak Out Before Christmas challenge. And in case this is the first of these videos that you're watching, I am not doing the Christmas theme that Dee Dee is doing. So I am just, well, I was kind of doing, you know, just using papers to go with whatever project I'm currently working on. But my printer died. I had to get a new printer, and then now I'm waiting for an ink shipment. So the next project that I'm doing, I don't have any of the papers printed out yet. So this particular week I will be using book pages and different scraps, and just kind of, you know, it'll be just either generic or you know, I'll use them in some other way. So this week's pocket is or this episode is going to be book pages, and basically we will have a background here, and then we will have a pocket here, and then a pocket or a tuck kind of corner pocket here. It's a little different than Dee Dee's. She cut her corner to fit this section, you know, here. I was sort of a mistake, but I like how it looks. So my corner will go up higher than the pocket behind it. I think it looks kind of interesting. So what I've done so far is I've cut all of my pieces. Now, these are very old book pages, so I am just going to use my glue stick and glue 2 pages together. And I will then sew around these. So it'll be a little different than previous pockets, and it'll be quite a bit different than Dee Dee's, but that's okay, right? Because they don't have to be the same. So obviously it's probably going to be, you know, a bit longer than the 15 minutes if you count the sewing, but I won't make you watch that. So we will we'll see what we can get done here. I hope you're all having a good day. Yeah, we're good. Everybody's good here. My only complaint would be that let's see. Hold on, I'm thinking and trying to talk at the same time. That's not working very well. Pixie has kennel cough. And yes, she was vaccinated for that, but as we have found out, they can still catch it. So Oscar doesn't have any symptoms, but they are both quarantined for 2 weeks. So yeah, no daycare, no dog park, no fun for them for a couple weeks, so that they don't give it to anyone else, meaning dogs, obviously. People can't catch it, but yeah, it's since they have been vaccinated, basically the symptoms are a lot less than if they hadn't been vaccinated. So she's honestly totally fine. She started, it was just a cough basically, and now she's been on antibiotics for a bit, and I mean, you wouldn't even know that there was anything wrong with her. So yeah, it's pretty non-eventful, but except for the fact that they are not allowed to go anywhere, it's pretty much fine. So that's what's going on here, pretty much. Nothing too terribly exciting. Let's see, the pages I am using, I've got old dictionary pages here, and then I have some, I think they are Greek and Hebrew Bible pages. They were in my scrap bin, so that's what I'm using. Okay, probably the most time-consuming part of this is the gluing the pages together, right? But that's okay. So I don't know about any of you, but I am ready for cooler weather, and also I am ready for the mosquitoes to go away. Oh gosh, I hate them so much, and they seem to love me a lot, so I am constantly struggling with mosquito bites. Yeah, so I'm ready for fall. I'm always ready for fall. Summer is not my favorite. I don't like the heat. I don't like the bugs. Yeah, so bring on fall. Just trying to make sure that I don't have any like, I mean, it's a dictionary, so hopefully there wouldn't be anything too inappropriate, but just keep it fairly neutral, right? All right, there's that. And then we'll get this one glued, and then we can move on. All right. All right, now I am going to, let's see, I need to punch through these. You know what, do I want to do that? Yeah, I think I do, but you know what, I'm gonna do it individually. I can do two together. Let's see, this one goes here. Yeah, I want to make sure that okay, these two I can do together so that maybe they'll be somewhat even. It's probably a little off center actually, which is fine with me because I can't usually center it anyway. There we go. So that'll be for that one and that one, and then this one. Do a bit off center too. There we go. All right, and then we will ink up the parts that I won't be able to get to later. Okay. And then I will pause this and go and sew. And then I will be back and we'll put them together. Before I sew, let me think here. Let me think. I want to round. Do I just want to round the top? Maybe. Nope, I think I want to round the bottom too. So let me get this all lined up. Oh, well, yeah, I can't glue them together yet because or can I? No, not really. Okay, that's fine. Let's yeah, I can't really glue them together yet because I think I'm gonna run some stitching here and along the diagonal here. So it won't really work. Oh, well, dang. Why did I, oh, dang. Wait, did I just do that wrong? No, I'm just a goofball. Okay, all right, well, new plan for this one. Goodness. Now, nope, that's not gonna work. Let's see. Is this the right length? Yes. So why did it, oh, okay, I see the problem. All right, let's, all right, there we go. Now, this one's just gonna be weird, sorry. It's just gonna be weirder. It'll be okay. It's just gonna be different than the others. And that's okay. All right. Don't mind me, just completely messing everything up here. All right. So this one is gonna look like this, which is slightly strange, but okay. And then I'm not gonna round the bottoms of the other two. Whoops. Learn from my mistakes, right? Okay. All right. I will be right back after I sew all of my pieces. And I'll actually probably just sew around it. Yeah, I'm just gonna be back with the final product. All right, guys, you're gonna wish I hadn't done this challenge. Yeah, I'll be right back. Well, in reality, with the sewing, it took about 30 minutes instead of 15, but I am very happy with how they look, and I didn't really have a choice on whether, you know, to sew them or not, because they were book pages. So we actually ended up with two different types here. So we have the ones with the full corner that goes up higher than this pocket. Let me find something that I can tuck in here and show you. I'll just use this little piece. So we have this pocket, and then maybe we'll make, you know, we can make it a side pocket or a top pocket, and same thing here. And then same thing here. So I'm very happy with how these turned out. And I just left my sewing strings off the bottom. All right, guys, I hope that that was fun. I hope that, you know, maybe it inspired you to do your own sort of variation on this theme. I think that's how we learn new things, right? So I will link Dee Dee's original video in the description box below, and I will also link to my full playlist of all of these challenge videos. That will be on the screen here in a couple seconds. And yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you would, and hit that notification button. I am approaching 3,000 subscribers, and there will be a big giveaway once we get there. So you don't want to miss that. All right, guys, have a fabulous day, and I will see you soon. Bye.